Traders, there are many ways to make money from the Scotland trade. In 2 days, we have the Scotland referendum on leaving the United Kingdom. Whether it goes yes or no in terms of voting, the important point is there's always money to be made. Here we're looking at the British pound against the Australian dollar. We're illustrating this cross rate for a couple of reasons. One, it is a very technical cross rate. It's one to keep your eyes on. It's one that many traders actually do not keep in mind when they're looking at charts. I want to go ahead and start with a daily chart here. This is very technically significant. We can see that today's intraday high is right around the 100-day moving average, and then the low corresponds to below the 50-day moving average. This is a beautiful technical trade worth about 75 pips or so, which is a very nice move for a daily chart. We want to illustrate some other things that are taking place here. We are now looking at a weekly chart of the British pound against the Australian dollar. The weekly low here also corresponds to this 61.8% retracement line. That is this horizontal line here that we're looking at, coming in right around 1.7929. So we want to keep our eye on that level. Below there, we're looking at 1.7793 as a downside target. We'll see if we can get there in sterling Aussie. Finally, on our monthly chart here, let's go ahead and zoom in on that so we can see it clearly on this video. You can see we have this long-term downtrend line coming from November or December 2013 all the way down here. So we'll see if sterling has the potential, the ability to move above this red downtrend line. Of course, probably some of those moves will be dictated by the vote here, the referendum later this week. We want to finish up here in our video by taking a look at some target areas for the cross rate here. I'm going to go ahead and draw some extension lines here, and when we do so, we can see some key areas that we are keeping an eye on. First one would be 1.7930. That's about 25 pips below where we are currently trading. And below there, we're looking at 1.7895 and then 1.7839 as some downside target areas. Let's go ahead and keep our eyes on these cross rates, just like sterling Aussie, especially in the run-up to the Scotland referendum. Thank you.